Millions of marketers are going to lose their jobs to AI, and let's not sugarcoat it. But here's the truth nobody's saying loud enough. It's not AI that replaces you. It's the marketer who knows how to use AI better than you. If you're still waiting to adapt, you're already behind. But if you're willing to lean in, learn fast, and get tactical, there's never been a bigger opportunity. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Ryan, and my mission is to help you navigate the overwhelming world of artificial intelligence. And if you want to know my favorite AI tools and prompts, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. You can find the link for my free guide in the video description or pinned comment below. Let's get into it. I'm breaking down 5 specific AI skills that every marketer needs to master in 2025. These are not theoretical trends. These are real skills that are making marketers more efficient, more valuable, and in some cases, absolutely irreplaceable. Skill number 1, prompt crafting that doesn't sound like AI. You've seen the robotic posts, the awkward intros, the bland tone that screams this was written by a machine. That's because people are still using generic prompts like write a LinkedIn post about marketing trends, and the output is just fine, but fine doesn't convert. Fine doesn't drive results. The marketers winning right now have a go-to prompt formula that consistently outputs content that sounds like them, reflects their tone, and engages their audience. Here's how I do it. I always prompt for first-person voice, natural sentence flow, active language, and I ban overused words that trigger that AI feel. If you don't already have a reusable prompt that humanizes everything you write, build one or borrow mine. Either way, you're not competing with AI, you're competing with the marketer using AI like a pro. Skill number 2, AI-powered automations that run while you sleep. You don't need to be a technical genius to build a content engine that runs itself. Tools like Make.com and Zapier let you create workflows that can repurpose one video into 10 different assets. Turn a YouTube video into a blog post, social clips, an email, even Instagram carousels. This is the difference between posting once a week and having an always-on content system without burning out. Here's how I use it. I record one piece of long-form content, feed it into my automation blueprint, and by the time I check Slack the next morning, it's already been sliced, captioned, transcribed, and scheduled across 5 platforms. That's leverage, and the key here isn't building something aspirational like 100 faceless YouTube channels. Start with the things you already do and ask, what part of this can I automate? Skill number 3, creating niche AI knowledge assistants. This one's a game changer. Imagine having a personal AI trained on your exact playbooks, client briefs, or product data, ready to give you answers, generate content, or support your campaigns on demand. That's what's now possible with custom GPTs, Claude projects, or Perplexity spaces. I've built assistants for specific clients where they have access to documents, creative briefs, and even old campaign results. Now, instead of searching folders or rereading PDFs, I asked the assistant, what angle worked best in Q3 for this client's product launch, and get instant insights. Just be careful with private data. Only upload docs you can share safely, but once you get this set up, it's like having a strategist on standby 24/7. Skill number 4, filtering the AI noise. New tools drop daily, a new model launches, and suddenly everyone's shouting about it on X. But here's the reality. 90% of AI tools are doing the same thing with slightly different wrappers. The winners, they're not chasing the next shiny tool. They're choosing 1 or 2 great tools and mastering them deeply. For me, Claude is my go-to for writing. Perplexity is what I use for research. That's it. I'm not wasting time testing every obscure launch unless it solves a real problem. In 2025, AI literacy won't mean knowing 50 tools. It'll mean knowing how to use the right ones to drive results. Don't get caught in the demo loop. Get in the habit of asking, does this tool help me execute faster or better? If not, move on. Skill number 5, knowing when to use AI and when not to. And this one's subtle but critical. AI is great at speed, structure, and surface level content, but it's not going to invent your strategy. It's not going to find the real insight buried in your niche, and it's not going to replace your creative intuition. Your job as a marketer is to know where to let AI take the wheel and where you need to show up with original thinking. For example, I never let AI write full landing pages without giving it a detailed structure first first. I provide the hook, the proof, the CTA, the tone, and I treat AI like a high-speed writing assistant, not the writer. Same thing for customer research. Let AI sort through the data, summarize posts, scrape forums, but you still have to pull the insight that matters. If you don't know what good looks like, you won't know if AI is giving you garbage. Let me close with this. The AI era isn't about who's the best marketer. It's about who's the fastest adapting marketer. These 5 skills, prompting, automations, knowledge assistance, signal over noise, and AI discernment, aren't nice to haves anymore. They're the new baseline. The marketers who learn these now will be the ones building audiences, closing clients, and launching products in half the time and for a fraction of the cost. So if you're still hesitating, this is your wake-up call. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with someone who needs to level up their AI marketing skills. And if you want my personal AI playbooks, prompts, and tools, make sure to grab my free AI Marketing Essentials guide, and the link is in the description and pinned comment below. Stay sharp, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.